Hello, hello, hello. This is Tom from Tom and Ruth Philippine Adventures. A couple things I want to talk about today is real fast. Is Amazon? Does Amazon deliver to the Philippines? Now, I previously told in the video they do not. Well, they do not for me where I live here, where I live. Now, it doesn't mean that the guy across town can't get a package, or the guy on the other side down towards Don Carlos can't get a package, or Valencia. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that where I live, they don't deliver. Now, it seems to be 50-50. Some of the guys that are in the cities can get their packages. Out in the province may be questionable. So Amazon does deliver. I was actually shocked because I've ordered Amazon 7-8 times. And the time I've been here, and they couldn't deliver. Now, eBay, on the other hand, has delivered every item. You hear that brewing right there? It's coffee. Every item that I ordered through eBay I've gotten it here. Don't know what they use. That has to do a lot of times with the carriers. The carriers sometimes, they get paid per parcel. Sometimes maybe the owners of these manufacturers, or whoever's shipping it, may not pay the rate that they would get. They get 15 peso per delivery. So each house they deliver, they get 15 peso, which is actually kind of nice. But there's a lot of houses. Hey, take a left at the cow pasture on the right. There's a cow standing there. Make another right, and you'll see a palm tree. And you go down that road. It's a dirt road. Your motorcycle won't make it. You know, it's kind of like that. There'd be nowhere in the world I could deliver here. There's no streets. There's no signs, there's no addresses, there's no markings. I don't know how they even find the houses. And the guy, well, okay, what color gate you have? How many houses down are you? Is there a house next to you? The family maybe I know. And they ask all these questions to deliver. But we get our deliveries fine as far as Lazada and Shopee and eBay. But as far as, and DHL and FedEx, as far as the others, as far as Amazon, not so far from me. Doesn't mean that the guy across town doesn't get it. He could probably get it. But also, too, what I want to talk about, bank cards. Bank cards, yes, they will deliver here. And yes, you can get your bank cards. I've gotten my cards, no problem. Ever since I've lived here, never a problem, never issue. They first started charging me money to have them delivered. It was $30 for DHL and or FedEx. And recently, this last 6 months, I had to get a card. I got another one coming too. It charged me this, $0. I don't know, maybe they have a plan or something. I have no idea, but I didn't get a charge. So my card, I received so many cards. You know how it is. They're only good for 2 years. So, and you know, I have PayPal also as a credit card, and actually 3. That's right, I have 3 cards that's delivered. 6 cards. Because, you know, Visa, debit, and a credit card. Visa, debit, and a credit card. Visa, debit, and a credit card. So, just to let everybody know, yes, you get your cards here. You may charge your fee for $30, but that's okay. And if you know, it's up to you guys. If you want to open up a bank account here, go ahead and do it. A lot of guys said they never have any problems, and it's entirely up to the person. I have a problem for me personally about it because I don't want to let someone out of the States handle my money when the money's going in that account. My Social Security, I leave it in U.S. because I just feel more comfortable. So many people have had problems with it. And I can see me having a problem with it. It seems that if it's going to happen, it's going to happen, you know. And it usually happens with me. Don't know why, but it does. I don't know. But it seems I may have a little bit of a problem than a guy does down the road. And I was talking to a friend of mine today. He went and got his 13A visa. And apparently where he lives up in Bohol, it's a little different for him now. And you just go online, you file the papers. And instead of sending 4 packs in, you send in 2 envelopes, all the information. And it's same price, but they're approved in like 3-4 months. Where mine, it took me 3 years. So that's the way things are. It's changing to the positive. And I like to see that. It's always good to see that. And that way, you know, it's good. And things are online too. You make it better. Online is good and online is bad, right? Because now you have to make an appointment online to, you know, to go in and get your update in January we'll have to go online before we go in and pay our visa dues of 300 peso for the year, which is nice. I want to thank everybody for watching. I just want to do this, but really I just did this not for Amazon but for the bank cards. People are asking me the same questions, and I said, well, I'll just do a video about it. So bank cards, yeah. So God bless everybody, and thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time.